Rain is a special thing. It makes a comforting sound when it falls. It's like a lullaby that helps us relax and think. Rain can also clean up things, just like how it can wash away our worries. Have you ever listened to the gentle sound of raindrops falling? It's like a soothing music that can calm our minds. When it rains, everything becomes quiet and we can take a break from our busy lives. Rain can also help us forget about our problems for a while. When we want to stand in the rain or walk in it, it can feel like our troubles are washing away, just like the dirt on the streets. Rain has inspired many people, like artists and writers. They use rain as a walk to talk about life's challenges and how we can become better through tough times. When we watch the rain, it can remind us of how amazing nature is. This connection with nature can make us feel peaceful and remind us that we're part of something bigger. Finding peace in the rain is about enjoying the calm sound it makes, feeling refreshed by it, and finding inspiration in it. The next time it rains, take a moment to listen, and you might discover the peace you've been looking for. Just like many others have found peace in the rain, you can